Life is all about inspiration. What drives you? What makes you happy? Throughout history, the Muses have inspired artists to make their most beautiful work. Artist Rem van der Bos has set out on a quest for the modern-day muse. He is looking for real women like us. Women who care, women who work, women who are proud of themselves. In 365 days, he will portray 365 women, bringing out the muse in you. I have worked with Rem several times before, and he has a way to make me feel the best I can be, vulnerable and strong at the same time, and always beautiful. Do you want to be part of this extraordinary journey to show the world the modern-day muse? Visit amuseaday.com and join us for a once-in-a-lifetime experience.